Here the question is, find the radius and center of the given circle x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 4y plus 8z minus 45 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 3. We know that this x square plus y square plus z square minus 8x plus 4y plus 8z minus 45 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a sphere and it is denoted by capital S. And also we know that this equation x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to 3. This is the equation of the plane. This is the equation of plane. And also we know that section of the sphere by the plane is the circle. So first we find here this given sphere, center of this given sphere. So center of this given sphere, first we compare this equation by x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Suppose this is third equation. Here this is the general equation of a sphere. Now we compare this. Here the coefficient of x is 2u, here the coefficient of x is minus 8. So 2u is equal to minus 8. Here the coefficient of y is 2v, here the coefficient of y is 4. So 2v is equal to 4. Here the coefficient of z is 2w, here the coefficient of z is 8. So 2w is equal to 8. Here the constant term is d, here the constant term is minus 45. So d is equal to minus 45. From here we find that u is equal to minus 4, v is equal to 2, w is equal to 4. So the given equation 1 is the equation of the sphere. First we compare this equation by the general equation of a sphere, which is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. We can see here coefficient of x is 2u and in the given equation of a sphere coefficient of x is minus 8. So 2u is equal to minus 8. So we get u is equal to minus 4. Similarly, here the coefficient of y is 2v and here the coefficient of y is 4. So 2v is equal to 4. We divide this by 2. We get v is equal to 2. Here the coefficient of z is 2w. Here the coefficient of z is 8. So 2w is equal to 8. So w is equal to 4. And the constant term is d here. Here the constant term is minus 45. So d is equal to minus 45. So first we find here center of a sphere 1 is, that is minus u minus v minus w. So here this is 4 minus 2 and minus 4. So this is the center of given sphere. So here first we draw the given sphere 1. Suppose this is the given sphere 1 and here O is the center, that is 4 minus 2 minus 4. Suppose that here this is the section of the sphere by the plane, and we know that section of the sphere by the plane is the circle. Suppose this is the circle here O, and suppose this is a point on this section of the sphere by the plane second. So OC is the perpendicular drawn from center on the given plane second. Here C be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from center on the sphere. So first we draw OC is the perpendicular. OC is the perpendicular drawn from center O on the given plane second. We can see here this OC is the perpendicular drawn from the center on the given plane second. So first we find here OC. So OC is equal to, here replace x, y, z in equation of plane. by the center 4 minus 2 minus 4. So this can be written as 4 minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 plus 2 multiplied by minus 4 minus 3 divided by under root 1 square plus 4 plus 4. So this can be written as 4 minus minus plus. So this is 4 minus, this is 8 minus 3 divided by either 4 plus 4 plus 1. This is 4 plus 4, 8, 1, 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So this 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8, this is cancelled. So this is minus 3 upon 3. So this is minus 1. So OC is the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere on the given plane secant. So OC is here minus 1. Because OC is the distance, so it can never be negative. So we taking here OC is equal to 1 numerically, neglecting negative sign. Neglecting negative sign. So this is the given sphere. First we find the center of this given sphere 1. So we compare this equation by the general equation of a sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2uy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. And we can see that coefficient of x is 2u and here the coefficient of x is minus 8. So 2u is equal to minus 8. So we get here u is equal to minus 4. Similarly, coefficient of y is 2v, coefficient of y is 4. So 2v is equal to 4. This equation divided by 2. So we get v is equal to 2. Here the coefficient of z is 2w, here the coefficient of z is 8, so 2w is equal to 8, so w is equal to 4. Here the constant term is d, here the constant term is minus 45, so d is equal to minus 45. So center of sphere 1 is minus u, minus v, minus w. Now we put value of u, v, w, so we get the center of this sphere O, that is 4 minus 2 minus 4. Now we draw here perpendicular OC from the center of this sphere on the given plane. So the given OC can be found by replacing x, y, z in the equation of plane by the center of the sphere. So in place of x we put here 4, in place of y we put here minus 2, in place of z we put here minus 4. And we transform this 3 in the left hand side, so it will be minus 3 and divide by under root square of the coefficient of x, that is 1 square, that is 1, plus square of the coefficient of y, that is minus 2 square, that is 4, and plus square of the coefficient of z, that is 2 square, that is 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 1, this is 9, so square root of 9 is 3 here. And here this is 4, this minus multiplied by minus we get plus, so this is 4 plus multiplied by minus, this is minus, 2 4 is 8 minus 3. So this 4 plus 4, 8 minus 8 cancel out, so minus 3 upon 3, this is minus 1. Now we taking here, neglecting the negative sign, so OC is equal to 1 here. Now we join this A point by C. Let us suppose that A be any point on the, let A be any point let A be any point on the circle, on the given circle. Let A be any point on the given circle. Join CA. We can see here, join CA. This CA is perpendicular to, this CA is perpendicular to OC, and this OA is the radius of the sphere. So first we find here OA, this is radius of a sphere. So radius of a sphere, we know that this is the formula, under root u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So we put here value of u, v, w and d. So we get here minus 4 whole square plus v is here 2 whole square plus w is here 4 whole square and d is here, this is minus 45, so this is plus 45. So minus 4 square, this is 16, 2 square, this is 4, 4 square is 16 plus 45. So 16 plus 16, this is 32 plus 4, this is 36 plus 45. And 36 plus 45, this is 6, 5, 11, this is 1 and 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8. Now square root of 81, this is 9. So radius of is given sphere 1 is 9 unit. Now we can see here this OC is perpendicular on CA. This OC is perpendicular on CA. So using here Pythagoras theorem, so we find here CA square, this is equal to OA square minus OC square, because OA is the hypotenuse here. OA is 9, so this is 9 square minus OC is here. We can see here OC, this is 1. So here this is 1 and 9 square, this is 81 and 1 square is 1. So 81 minus 1, this is 80. So CA square is equal to 80. Now we get CA is the square root of 80. So this is 16 multiplied by 5 and square root of 16, this is 4. So 4 root 5 unit. So the CA is the radius of the circle. Here CA is the radius of the circle. So radius of circle. So radius of circle is equal to CA and this is equal to 4 root 5 unit. So in this figure we can see here this CA is perpendicular to OC and O is the radius of the sphere. Now we find this radius of this circle. So this CA using here Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle. So we find here CA square can be written as OA square minus OC square, and OA this is equal to 9 here. So 9 square, this is 81, and OC is the length of perpendicular drawn from the center of the sphere on the given plane. So OC already we calculate, that is 1. So 1 square is 1. Now we subtract 1 from 81, we get 80. So we are taking here square root. So CA is equal to square root of 80, that is 4 root 5 unit. So this is the radius of the circle. And now we find here center of the circle. So first we write here center of circle. Now we find here. So we find here equation of a line passing through O, and here we find equation of a line passing through O and perpendicular to the given plane. First we find here equation of a line which is passing through the center of the sphere O and perpendicular to the given plane second. So the direction ratios of the normal to the plane are proportional to the direction ratios of OC. Here OC is parallel to the normal to the given plane. So direction ratios are proportional, and direction ratios of normal to the plane are coefficients of x, y, z in equation of plane. We can see here this OC is perpendicular on the given plane second. That means OC is parallel to the normal to the given plane second, and we know that in the equation of the plane coefficient of x, y, z always represent the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. So the direction ratios of OC are proportional to the direction ratios of the normal to the plane second, that is 1, minus 2 and 2. So direction ratios of OC are 1, minus 2 and 2. Here we can see that OC is perpendicular on the given plane second. So OC is parallel to the normal to the given plane second, and we know that the direction ratios of the normal to the plane second are 1, minus 2 and 2. So the direction ratios of OC are proportional to 1, minus 2 and 2. Now we write here equation of a sphere, that is x minus, it is passing through 4 minus 2 minus 4. So we write here x minus 4 divided by 1, y minus, this is minus 2. So we write here minus 2 divided by minus 2, and here we can see that this is minus 4. So we write z minus 4 upon, this is here we write 2. So this is x minus 4 upon 1 is equal to y, this is plus 2 divided by minus 2, here z plus 4 upon 2. We suppose that this is equal to r. Now we find here value of x, y, z in terms of r, that is x is equal to r plus 4, y is equal to minus 2r minus 2, and z is equal to 2r minus 4. We suppose that the point of C, let C be the point at r distance from the center O. So coordinate of CB r plus 4 minus 2r minus 2 and 2r minus 4. Now if we suppose that this C point is a small r distance from the center of the sphere O, so the coordinate of point CB r plus 4 minus 2r minus 2 and 2r minus 4. Now we can see from the figure this C point lies on the given plane second, so this point C must satisfy the equation of the plane. Now we can see here this C point. Now we can see here, since C lies on the plane second, so this coordinate of C point must satisfy the equation of plane. So we put here in place of x, we put here r plus 4 minus 2, in place of y we put here 2r minus 2 plus 2, in place of z we put here 2r minus 4 equal to 3. So this is r plus 4 plus this minus multiplied by minus, we get plus 2 to the 4r minus plus 2 to the 4 plus 4r minus 8 is equal to 3. So 4r plus 4r, this is 8r plus 1r, this is 9r, and this is 4 plus 4, this is 8 minus 8 cancel out, is equal to 3. So r is equal to 3 by 9, so this is 1 upon 3. Now we put value of r in the coordinate of C, we get the coordinate of the center. So C is equal to R plus 4 minus 2R minus 2 and 2R minus 4. So in place of R we put here 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 4 minus 2 by 3 minus 2 and 2 by 3 minus 4. Solve this, we get here 3 4 the 10 plus 1 13 upon 3. This is 3 to the 6 minus 2 minus 8 upon 3 and 3 4 the 12. 3 4 the 12 minus 12 plus 2. This is minus 10 upon 3. So this is the center of the circle. Here the center of the circle is 13 by 3 minus 8 by 3 and minus 10 by 3. And the radius of the circle is 4 root 5. So here C is the coordinate. C is the coordinate of the center of circle. Thank you.